Tom Hanks keeps a secret passion tucked behind his public smile, a meticulously cataloged collection of vintage typewriters. In interviews, he rarely flaunts it, but insiders say he spends hours restoring them and writing poetry on scraps of old paper. The collection reportedly inspired his humane storytelling, shaping roles with a quiet reverence for the craft. Shy of headlines, Hanks reportedly donates some typewriters to schools and libraries, a gesture never shouted from the rooftops. This understated obsession shows a celebrity who edits life in ink before it hits the screen.